Hi everyone, my name is Teacher Mahmoud. I am one of the teachers here at Cilmi Academy, and in this lesson we are learning greetings. Yes, this is the lesson, or this is the class for those who want to learn the Somali language. The first lesson that we are learning today is greetings. Yes, how do you greet in the Somali language? Greetings simply means salam in the Somali language. So salam means greeting. I will first read so that you learn how to pronounce them, and then I will explain. The first one says Subah wanagsan, Subah wanagsan, Galab wanagsan. The third one Habeen wanagsan. The fourth one Sidee tahay iska waran, which basically they have the same meaning, or at least they are used the same way. So the first part, Subah, okay, Subah in the Somali language simply means morning, okay, morning. Galab means it can be evening, okay. The English language, it has evening hours and afternoon, but the Somali language, Galab means evening, and it's also sometimes used as afternoon. Yes, from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. here. Habeen simply means night. Yes, don't mind my handwriting. So Subah wanagsan, Subah means morning, wanagsan means good. Wanagsan, yes, good. This one means good. Yes, so Subah wanagsan means good morning. Yes, morning hours, and the person will say Subah wanagsan, or sometimes they may use the word Subah lamida. Okay, good morning to. Lamida means to. Subah wanagsan, if somebody says, that means good morning, and your response should be Subah lamida or Subah wanagsan. Galab wanagsan means good evening or good afternoon. You also say Galab wanagsan or Galab lamida. If it's night, Habeen wanagsan, good night. Although that one is not a greeting, but a farewell, but let it be. Yes. Sidee tahay simply means how are you? Yes, Sidee tahay, how are you? Okay, how are you? Okay, that's the why. Iska waran is also how are you? Sidee tahay. Yes, iska waran and Sidee tahay can be used the same way. Okay, and if somebody says how are you in the Somali language, let me clear the board so that I will get a space to write. Okay, if somebody says Sidee tahay or iska waran, your response should be fiican. Yes, in short, fiican. Or you can say in a longer version, waan fiicanahay, waan fiicanahay, which is I am good or I am fine. Waan fiicanahay is I am fine, ama I am good. Yes, so if you say fiican, it's okay. You can also say waan fiicanahay. Of course, if in the English language somebody says how are you, you don't just say I'm fine. You also have to ask and you. So if someone says in the Somali language sidee tahay, and your response should be waan fiicanahay, adigana. Adigana, okay, sorry, it's I, not a. Adigana. Adigana iska waran. Adigana iska waran, which is adigana means you. Okay, it's double R. Adigana iska waran. Adiga, you. Adigana iska waran, which is also and you. Adiguna sidee tahay, also how are you? Yes. So let me recap. Salanta, it's greetings. If somebody says Subah wanagsan, it means good morning. If somebody says Galab wanagsan, it simply means good afternoon or good evening. If somebody says Habeen wanagsan, it means good night. Sidee tahay, iska waran is how are you? Your response should be fiican, which means I am fine. Or in the longer version, you can say waan fiicanahay. I am fine. Of course, you have to ask also, and you. So that one, we use adigana iska waran. Yes, adigana iska waran. And you. Yes, so they will say, waan fiicana. Yes. So that's what I wanted us to learn today. Until next session, stay safe and God bless you. Bye-bye.